Good morning everyone. I am Vidansh of class 8. So today we are here for discussing important MCQs and true false for class 8 board examination 23-24. First question, in which decade was the National Archives of India established? So its answer is 1920 and these were established in Delhi. Next question, the most populated country in the world. So the most populated country in the world now is India. India overtook China in 2022. Before 2022, China was the highest populated country of the world. So our next question, India's population is now 1.43 billion. In 2017, which portal was launched for filing complaints, monitoring of child tracking and National Child Labour Act? Pencil.gov.in, Raj Board, Pen or Shala Darpan? So our answer is Pencil. So its full form is Pencil platform for effective enforcement of child labor. https pencil.gov.in. So Raj Board is the official website of RBSC. So and Shala Darpan, it is the platform where the information of all government and private schools and colleges store. So Shala Darpan is a website where the platform where the information of all government and primary schools and colleges and offices information stored. So our correct option is pencil.gov.in. Our next question, who among the following presided over the Hurda conference? So our answer is Maharaja Jagat Singh II and Abhay Singh participated and Samai Jai Singh also participated the Hurda conference. So our next question, when did the first train run in Rajasthan? So the first train run in Rajasthan in 1874 between Bandikui to Agra Fort. So the first train run in Rajasthan in 1874 between Bandikui to Agra Fort. So our next question, phishing and spoofing are the examples of. So these are considered as cyber crimes. Our next question, historians use the records prepared by the British for debate, study of history, comments and report preparation. So records are used by historians to study the history of India. So let's go for the next question, who chaired the Hurda conference? So the Hurda conference was chaired by Maharana Jagat Singh II Jagat Singh II, and Sawai Jai Singh was the organizer of the Hurda conference, and Abhay Singh participated the conference. So the president of Hurda conference was Sangram Singh II, but due to his death, Maharana Jagat Singh II chaired the conference. So the president of the Hurda conference was Maharana Jagat Sangram Singh II, but due to his death, Maharana Jagat Singh II chaired the Hurda conference. So let's next question. The population of the India according to 2011 census is 100 crore, 121 crore, 141 crore, and 145 crore. So according to 2011 census, the population of India is 121 crore, but now it is around 140 crore. Tourism means import of goods, export of goods, to exchange goods, or to travel. As per the tourism, its answer is D, to travel. Next question. Which of the following is necessary for social justice? To make laws, law enforcement, public consciousness, or all of the above. So these three are important for social justice, so our answer will be all of the above. Which of the following is an objective of Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao? To stop female foeticide, women empowerment, construction of public toilets, or promotion of girl child education. So our answer is to stop female foeticide. It is the objective of Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao scheme, which was launched in 2015 by the government of India. The word calligraphist means, so one who is specialized in the art of painting, one who is specialized in the art of music, one who is specialized in the art of beautiful writing, one who is specialized in the art of public speaking. So its answer is answer C, one who is specialized in the art of beautiful writing, because calligraphists used to write in beautiful writing. The last Viceroy of India, Lord Canning, Lord Mountbatten, Ripon, or Lord Wellesley. So the last Viceroy of India was Lord Mountbatten. Next question. So how many representatives are from your state? In Rajasthan there are 20 MLA and 2 MP. Which political parties are currently in power? So in Rajasthan, BJP is currently in power, and in central government, NDA is currently in power. When will the next elections will held of the state government? In previous years, in 2028, the elections of state government of Rajasthan will be held, in the central government in 2024, means this year, and the last elections held in 2023, and the central government in 2019. So next question. Succession struggle took place in Jodhpur between Ishwar Singh and Madhav Singh, between Ram Singh and Bhakt Singh, between Ari Singh and Ratan Singh, and none of these. So, so this struggle took place Ram Singh and Madhav Singh, succession struggle of Jodhpur. Okay. So let's. Robert Clive gave the task to prepare the map of India. So the map of India was prepared by James Will or the Warren Hastings or James Renner or Duke of Connaught. So Warren Hastings was the first Governor General of India. He was the first Governor General of India, and the map of India was prepared by James Renner. First English factory was established 1764, 1651, 1561 or 1751. So first English factory was established in 1651. Acquisition of Punjab. So acquisition of Punjab in 1774, in 1674, in 1874 or in 1782. So our correct answer is first option in 1774. The symbol of British power is Diana, Galicia, Britannia or Queen Victoria. So Queen Victoria was the Queen of UK, United Kingdom, and the symbol of British power is Britannia. The Governor General at the time of final wave of annexation. So Lord Dalhousie was the Governor General at the time of final wave of annexation. He also introduced doctrine of lapse. Next question. The Governor General who was impeached or blamed. So Warren Hastings was the Governor General. Warren Hastings was the Governor General who was impeached. Why he was impeached? Due to his misconduct during he was in Calcutta. So when he was impeached, due to his misconduct during he was in Calcutta, Warren Hastings was impeached. He was also our first Governor General, as we have read before. The Bastar Rebellion in Central India broke out in 1910, 1900, 1931-32 or 1856. So Bastar Rebellion broke out in 1910, where present Chhattisgarh, one of the states of India. Total percent of the land on Earth's surface. Total percent of the land on Earth's surface is 29% of land is on the Earth's surface, and rest 71% is of water bodies. Using public transport or carpool is an example of reduce, recycle, reuse or sustainable development. So its answer is A, reduce, because public transport or carpool, these reduce what? Number of vehicles on the road. Second, the production of greenhouse gases and reduces pollution. So using public transport or carpool is an example of reduce, and this reduces the number of vehicles on the road, or this reduces the production of greenhouse gases and hence reduces pollution. The next question, rubber plantation is famous in. So rubber plantation is famous in Malaysia. Rubber plantation is famous in Malaysia. In Sri Lanka, tea plantation is famous. In Brazil, coffee plantation is famous. And in Malaysia, rubber plantation is famous. So our answer is Malaysia. Improving the quality of people's skills is called sustainable development. Human resource development, resource conservation or utility. Sustainable development is what? To reduce the use of resources and conserve it for future generations. And resource conservation, to conserve the resources. And the utility of a resource, usability of resource. So our answer is human resource development, because people have skills and knowledge that develops the human resource. Indian Constituent Assembly was founded. When was the Indian Constituent Assembly was found? In 1946 on 9th of December 1946. Our Indian Constituent Assembly was found on 9 December 1946. So our next question, what literally means the original inhabitants? What original inhabitants are Adivasis. Which of the following is a water related disease? So malaria has happened due to female Anopheles mosquito, and eye flu is caused due to infection from another person, hence it is a communicable disease. And this is a mouth disease. And pyorrhea is a mouth disease. So, which is a water related disease? So, malaria is caused due to female Anopheles mosquito, and eye flu is an infectional disease, hence communicable disease. This is a mouth disease, and hence our answer is none of the above. Next question. What does PMO refer for? Postmaster office or Prime Minister office, Primary Municipal Corporation office, or none of the above? So our answer is Prime Minister office. PMO stands for Prime Minister's office. Where the staff of PM report to Prime Minister. So our correct answer is Prime Minister office. Here the staff of the PM reports to Prime Minister. The capital of Matsya Union. What was the capital of Matsya Union? The capital of Matsya Union, Dholpur, Bharatpur, Viratnagar or Alwar. So the capital of Matsya Union was Alwar. Matsya Union capital? Alwar. Next question. The unit of urban self-government. So the unit of urban self-government is municipality, city council, municipal council, all of the above. So the unit of urban self-government are all of the above. All three these are the unit of urban self-government. Hence our answer is all of the above: municipality, city council and municipal council. Next question. Nakki Lake is situated in which district? So Nakki Lake is situated in Udaipur, Ajmer, Sirohi or Rasamand. So our correct answer is Sirohi. It is a man-made fresh water. It is a man-made fresh water lake. Our next question. How many candidates can be voted by one EVM? In one EVM, how many candidates can vote at once? So, in one EVM, 16 candidates can vote. Next question. Headquarters of North-Western Railway Division. Headquarters of North-Western Railway Division is located in Jaipur, Bikaner, Jaisalmer, Jhalor. So our correct answer is Jaipur. Headquarters of North-Western Railway Division is located in where? At Jaipur. The tribe of Rajasthan that has been included in the list of primitive tribe group of India. So options are Bhil, Meena, Saharia or Grazia. So our correct answer is Saharia, and Meena is the most populated tribe, which Meena is the most populated tribe, and list of primitive tribal groups is Saharia. And next question. The district with the highest literacy rate. So the district in which highest literacy rate is Kota, Jhalor, Jaipur or Bharatpur. So our answer is quota with 76.6% of vote literacy rate, and Jalore is the lowest with 54.09% of literacy rate. So highest literacy rate, is Kota, and lowest literacy rate is in Jalore. In Kota 76.6% and in Jalore 54.09% of highest literacy rate. Now, two rights related to manual scavenging. So the two rights related to manual scavenging are right to equality, and second right related to manual scavenging is right against exploitation. So two rights related to manual scavenging: right to equality and right against exploitation. So two articles related to equality are Article 15, which prohibits, Article 15, and second is Article 17. Article 15 prohibits discrimination on the basis of caste, color, or religion, etc. and etc. basis. Article 15 of our constitution prohibits. So, and Article 17, this prohibits untouchability prohibition. So Article 17 prohibits untouchability. सो मैं आपको टेबल वापस बताता हूँ. टू राइट्स रिलेटेड टू मैनुअल स्कैवेंजिंग. सो टू राइट्स रिलेटेड टू मैनुअल स्कैवेंजिंग, व्हाट आर दोस? द राइट टू इक्वालिटी and right against what? Exploitation. What it means? Right to equality means the equality to all citizens, to all citizens whether of whatever caste, religion, एक्सेट्रा। सो जो राइट टू इक्वलिटी, वो इक्वलिटी का राइट देता है ऑल सिटीजन्स को, जो भी सिटीजन्स है हमारे इंडिया में, कौन सी कास्ट, रिलीजन, एक्सेट्रा पैरामीटर से बिलोंग करते हैं, है ना। ये इक्वलिटी गिवन करता है ऑल सिटीजन्स, वेदर रिच पुअर, वेदर ऑफ दिस रिलीजन और वेदर ऑफ दैट रिलीजन। ओके। राइट अगेंस्ट एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, राइट अगेंस्ट एक्सप्लॉयटेशन prohibits child labor and labor on low wages. Okay, what right against exploitation prohibits? It prohibits child labor and the labor on low wages. Okay, so these are our two rights against manual scavenging. Okay, now second right, two articles related to equality. Okay, two rights related to equality are two articles. So article number 15 and article number 17. So what article prohibits? It prohibits discrimination on the basis of caste, color, religion, color, etc. So what article 15? It gives it prohibits discrimination on the basis of caste, color, religion and etc parameters. Okay, what article 17 prohibits? It prohibits untouchability. What article 17 prohibits? It prohibits untouchability. So we have learned article 15, article 17. Okay, now okay, here the right to equality, the right to exploitation, the right to the article 15 and the article 17. Okay, next, laws related to protection of Dalit rights and tribals. So first right for Dalits and tribals are scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Scheduled caste and scheduled tribes Act 1989. So first act, Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Act 1989. Now second, Scheduled Tribes and Scheduled Tribes and other traditional forest dwellers Act 2006. So what are the two rights related to protection of Dalits and tribals? So first right, Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Act and 1999. So Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Act 1989 and Scheduled Tribes and other traditional forest dwellers Act 2006. Okay. Now our other parameter belong to the marginalized group. What belong to marginalized group? For an example, Muslims and Adivasis. Muslims and Adivasis are the examples of marginalized groups in India. Okay. Now next, according to 2011 census, the gender ratio in Rajasthan. So according to the 2011 census, the gender ratio in Rajasthan is what? Okay. So the gender ratio according to 2011 census, the gender ratio of Rajasthan 1928, 1982, 861 and 774. So comment your answer, and I have commented. Now 1928, it is the correct answer, gender ratio in Rajasthan according to 2011 census. Okay. Now second, the lowest sex ratio, the lowest sex ratio in which district of Rajasthan? Lowest sex ratio. So lowest sex ratio or gender ratio, lowest sex or gender ratio, we can say both in Rajasthan. What is okay. So the lowest district of Rajasthan, lowest sex ratio is Dungarpur or Dholpur or Barmer or Jaipur. So our answer is Dholpur, and Dungarpur is the Dungarpur is the highest. Dungarpur is the highest with what? With what percentage Dungarpur is the highest? So 1994. Okay. Dungarpur sex ratio 1924, and Dholpur lowest with what? Dungarpur is lowest with 846. So Dholpur's sex ratio, gender ratio 846 and Dungarpur's 994. Highest and lowest. Okay. It is the highest and it is the lowest. Now next question. Highest literacy rate in which district in Rajasthan? Kota, Badmer, Salumar or Jalore. Okay. So what is our answer? Highest literacy rate in which district? Kota, Badmer, Salumar or Jalore? Sorry. Highest literacy rate is in Kota and lowest is in Jalore. So Kota, Jalore. So Kota has 76.6% of literacy rate, and Jalore has 54.09% of literacy rate. So Kota is the highest and Jalore is the lowest. 76.6% and 54.09%. Okay. Correct answer is Kota, highest literacy rate in Rajasthan. Now next question. Male literacy rate in Rajasthan is, what is the male literacy rate in Rajasthan? So 79.19%, 50.60% or 92.68% or 52.12%. So our answer is, what is our answer? Our answer is 79.19% is male literacy rate in Rajasthan. Okay. Now male and female literacy rates are highest in, male and female literacy rates are highest in Junjunu, Kota, both A and B, or none of these. So in Junjunu it is the highest, and Kota it is also the highest. So our answer is both A and B. So its answer is Junjunu, Kota, both A and B. Okay. Now next question. Male and female literacy rates are lowest in. So male and female literacy rates in Rajasthan, in Pratapgarh, Jalore, both A and B, or none of these. So Pratapgarh and Jalore both have lowest male and female literacy rates. So our answer is both A and B. Okay. So both A and B, Pratapgarh and Jalore is our answer. Okay. Now next question. According to 2010-11 census, the literacy rate in Rajasthan is. What is the literacy rate in Rajasthan? According to 2010-11 census. So according to 2010-11 census, the literacy rate in Rajasthan is 66.191, means 66.11% of people are educated from the 100% of our population of Rajasthan. Okay, 66.11% sorry is literacy rate in Rajasthan according to 2011 census. Next question. Number of women per / males is called gender ratio. 10,000, 6,000, 7,520 or 1,000. So our correct answer is 1,000, because gender ratio is calculated on the basis of 1,000 males, means X% of females upon 100 males. Okay, 1,000 males. It is the gender ratio. Okay. Less than 1% of the population lives in which district of Rajasthan? Less than 1% of population. Okay. Less than 1% of population in Jalore, Jaisalmer, Badmer or Jaipur. Jaisalmer is the correct answer. And Jaipur has the highest with about 10% of population of Rajasthan. Okay, highest in Jaipur, because it is the capital of Rajasthan and metro city. Okay, /% of population lives in only 20% of the land area. So what percent of population lives in only 10% of the land area? So 33% of population lives in only 20% of the state's land area. Okay, now next question. Is census recorded in every 10, 12, 5 or 6? So our answer is 12. A census is recorded in every 10 years, and last census is recorded in 2011. Okay, 2011 last census. Now according to 2011 census, the population of Rajasthan is. So according to 2011 census, what is the population of Rajasthan? 6.82 crores, 2.58 crores or 6.85 crores or 9.94 crores. So our answer is 6.85 crores of population lives in Rajasthan. So it is about 5.7% of India's population. Okay, so 5.7% of India's population lives in Rajasthan, which is in numbers is 6.85 crores. Okay, now our next question. Now true false we will do. What we will do? True false. Okay, we will do now true and false. So we have seen a term marginalized. What is marginalized? It is not okay. What is marginalized? To separate on various parameters. Okay, what is marginalized? To separate on various parameters. Okay, so now come to the true false. Okay, the meaning of world Janjatiya or original inhabitants means the word tribal is meaning of word tribal is Janjati original inhabitants. Yes, it is our correct answer, hence it is true. Okay, Akbar was known as the tiger of Mysore. No, it is false, because tiger of Mysore was Tipu Sultan. Okay, who was the tiger of Mysore, also known as tiger of Mysore, who Tipu Sultan. Okay, now Battle of Plassey fought in 1759. True or false? So answer is false, because it was fought in 1757. Okay, now next question. People are the biggest resource of a nation. So people are the biggest resource of a nation. It is true. People are the biggest sources of nation. Okay, because people have many qualities and skills to develop other resources. Therefore, it is also called the ultimate resource or the biggest resource of a nation. So मैंने आपको बताया था कि people are the biggest resource of the nation. 2 मिनट. So ये true है कि peoples के पास क्या skill होती है, knowledge होती है. क्या होती है people biggest resource क्यों है कि skill है, knowledge है, skill है, knowledge है, जो बाकी resources का development करती हैं. So people are the biggest resource of the nation, hence it is true. Okay. Now next question. Areas with mineral deposits are more densely populated. Yes, its answer is true. Why? Because with more mineral deposits there are many benefits. So with more mineral deposits there are many benefits to the people of the region. Okay. Now, our next question. So, people generally prefer extreme climate. No, its answer is false. People doesn't prefer extreme hot or extreme. Wait a second. People do not prefer hot or cold. They prefer which climate? A type of moderate climate. Which type of climate? Moderate climate. Means normal temperature. People generally prefer extreme climate, hence it is false, and right answer is moderate climate. Now next. Human resource is the ultimate resource. Okay, human resource is the ultimate resource. Okay, as we are in the MCQs that human resource is the ultimate resource, hence it is true. Why? Why it is true? Because people have skills and knowledge to develop other resources. Okay. Why human resources is considered as the ultimate resource? Because people have knowledge, skills to develop other resources. Hence, its answer is true. Okay, answer is true. Okay. The plains of Nile River in China is densely populated. The plains of Nile River is densely populated, but not in China. It is in where? In north eastern Africa. Okay, where in northeastern Africa the Nile River is situated, hence it is false. The right answer is the plains of Nile River in northeastern Africa is densely populated. Now next, maximum population of the world lives in North America continent. No, the maximum population lives in Asia continent. India is included in the South Asia part of the Asia continent. Hence it is false, and right answer is false, and right answer is Asia. Okay. Now next question. In United Kingdom, the population growth is slowing because both low death rate and birth rate. Okay. Yes. It is true. Yes. Hence it is true. In United Kingdom, the population growth is low because both death rate and the birth rate are low. Now next question. Rani Chennamma led an anti-British movement in Kittur. Yes, Rani Chennamma started an anti-British movement in Kittur. Okay. Okay. When she started this movement in 1824. Rani Chennamma led an anti-British movement in Kittur in 1824. Okay. Now next question. Maharana Jagat Singh III chaired the Hurda Conference. So Maharana Jagat Singh III chaired the Hurda Conference. It is false because Maharana Jagat Singh II chaired the Hurda Conference. Hence it is false, and right answer is Maharana Jagat Singh II. Now next question. EVM were first used in the elections of 2006. Wait a minute. Yes. EVM was first used in the elections of 2006. No, it is false because EVM, electronic voting machine, was first used in the elections of 2004. Okay, the EVM was first used in the elections of 2004, electronic voting machine or EVM. Hence it is false. Correct answer is 2004. Next question. Dholpur has the highest sex ratio. Hence it is false. It is false. Dholpur has the lowest sex ratio. Okay, hence it is false. And which have the highest sex ratio? Then its answer would be Dungarpur. It is the city with the highest sex ratio in Rajasthan. Hence it is false. And correct answer is Dholpur is the lowest and Dungarpur is the highest sex ratio. The last viceroy of India was Lord Canning? No. The last viceroy of India was Lord Lord Mountbatten. He was the last Viceroy of India, Lord Mountbatten. From when to when? From 12 Feb to 15 of August. In which year? 1947. From 12 February to 15th August, he was our Viceroy of India, and he was the last in 1947. Hence, it is false, and correct answer is Lord Mountbatten. Next question. Next question. Malwari system was introduced by Lord Mackenzie. Malwari system was introduced by Holt Mackenzie. Malwari system was introduced by Holt Mackenzie. Hence, it is true, correct answer. And when he introduced the Malwari system in 1822, the Malwari system was Holt Mackenzie introduced. Okay. This was reviewed by whom? By Lord William Bentinck. By Lord William Bentinck. Lord William Bentinck in 1823. It was reviewed by the Lord William Bentinck in 1823. Watch Malwari system, which was introduced by Holt Mackenzie in 1822. Hence, it is true. Now, next question. Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese. Yes, Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese. Qazi was a judge. Yes, Qazi is a term for the judge. Okay, hence it is true. Okay, next question. Lord Dalhousie introduced the doctrine of lapse. Doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. Hence, it is true. Lord Dalhousie introduced the doctrine of lapse. In this system, the if ruler doesn't have own heir or successor, then the we can say kingdom would be annexed or taken by the Britishers. If the ruler doesn't have its own heir successors, the kingdom would be annexed by the Britishers. It was, and this is it was introduced by Lord Dalhousie in Doctrine of Lapse. Hence, it is true. Now, next question. Wait one. So, where we are here. Rajasthan Tenancy Act was implemented in 1956. So, it is false. It was introduced in 1955. Okay. Rajasthan Land Revenue Act was implemented in 1955. It is also false. It was introduced in 1956. Rajasthan Tenancy Act 1955. Rajasthan Land Revenue Act 1956. Okay, next question. Methyl isocyanate gas, MIC, Yes, the methyl isocyanate gas is also known as MIC, hence it is true. It was leaked at the night of 2 December or 2 to 3 December, and it was known as the Bhopal gas tragedy. It is also known as Bhopal gas tragedy. It to 2 to 13 December with MP. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh or MP. So here that toll was 15,000 to 20,000 people. Okay, methyl isocyanate gas, it was leaked on 2 to 3 December at Bhopal gas tragedy in MP, and that toll was 15,000 to 20,000, and half million people suffered from various diseases. Now also they are suffered with various types of diseases. Okay, next question. Kadam tree is associated with Udaipur. Yes, Kadam tree is associated with Udaipur, hence it is true. Symbol of Birsa Raj was white flag, hence it is true, and it means a white flag, peace and equality. Okay, peace and equality. Now next question. Right to freedom also prohibits child labor. Right to freedom prohibits child to labor, hence it is false, because right to freedom includes the right to various types of things, and the child labor was prohibited by right against exploitation. Hence the child labor is prohibited in the right to exploitation. It also prohibits forced and labor on low wages. Okay, right to exploitation prohibits the child labor and also prohibits the low wages. Okay, Birsa Munda was dead by malaria. No, it is false, and right answer is cholera. Birsa Munda dead by cholera in which year? 1900. In 1900 he died. Okay. The average population density of the world is 25 square meter. 25 square meter is the average density population of the world. It is true. Okay. Next question. Vijayastham was made by Rana Kumbha. Was Vijayastham made by Rana Kumbha? Yes, the Vijayastham was made by Rana Kumbha. Where it is situated? In Chittor Fort, Chittorgarh, Rajasthan. Chittorgarh, Rajasthan, and when it was built in 1448 by our famous king Rana Kumbha. Jaipur is also known as the Manchester of India. No, Bhilwara. Answer is Bhilwara. Bhilwara is also known as the Manchester of Rajasthan and the city of garments. Okay, city of garments, and it is also true. No, false. Bhilwara is true and Jaipur is false, hence it is false. Bundi Fort was built by Rao Bar Singh in 1354 AD. Yes, it is true, and the Bundi Fort is also known as Star Fort. Nundi Fort is also known as Star Fort. Next question. Child Rights Agreement was passed on 20 November 1989. It is true or false? It is true. And what is says the agreement says the rights of children. Okay. Robert Clive gave the map to prepare the India to Sirajuddaulah. No, it is false and correct. It is false, and the correct answer is given to James Renner in 1782. The Sirajuddaulah ordered James Renner to prepare the map of India in 1782. Okay. The rule of law makes all citizens equal. Yes, the rule of law makes all citizens equal, as the statement states. Technology is a human-made resource. Technology is a human-made resource. Yes, the technology is made by human beings, and it is considered as human-made resource. Okay. Adivasis have the lowest rate of literacy. It is true or false? Adivasis have the lowest rate of literacy. Is it true or false? You will give the answer. Okay. And now I will give the answer. It is true because of less development. Adivasis have the lowest rate of literacy among all. Bahadur Shah Zafar died in Delhi in 1862. He died in 1862, but not in Delhi, in Rangoon, in Myanmar, or we can say Burma. Myanmar is also known as Burma, and in Rangoon in 1862, Bahadur Shah Zafar dead. Hence, it is false. Next question. Nana Sahib was the adopted son of late Peshwa Bajirao. Yes, it is true. Nana Sahib was the son of late Peshwa Bajirao. Lord Irwin was the last Viceroy of India. As we have read before, Lord Mountbatten was our last Viceroy, not Lord Irwin. Lord Mountbatten. Okay. Lord Mountbatten, hence it is false. Maharana Ranjit Singh was the ruler of Punjab. Yes, Maharana Ranjit Singh was the ruler of Punjab. Permanent settlement was introduced in 1793. Was the permanent settlement introduced in 1923? It is 1793. It is true. By whom? It is 1793. By whom? Lord Cornwallis. Lord Cornwallis introduced the permanent settlement in 1792, in which the revenue was fixed at a particular rate of interest. Birsa was conned. Birsa Munda was associated with the Kon tribe. No, it is false, and the correct answer is Munda tribe. Okay. The correct answer is Munda tribe. Okay. Adivasis are the marginalized groups. Yes, Adivasis are the marginalized groups. Why they are the marginalized groups? Why different different culture, and different religion. Adivasis are marginalized group because of different culture and different religion. Vijay Pillar of Chittorgarh is a historical tourist place. Yes, Vijay Pillar of Chittorgarh is a historical tourist place. It is true, and it was built by Rana Kumbha, as we have read before. Okay. Asha Sayogini is a scheme related to agriculture? No. It is scheme related to, it is false and related to healthcare of women. Healthcare of women. Healthcare of women, and it is also associated with the safe delivery of pregnant women. Okay, Asha Sayogini scheme is related to not related to agriculture. Its answer is false, and right answer is healthcare of women. Rajya Sabha, and its answer is false. Rajya Sabha has two nominated members. Rajya Sabha has two nominated members? Yes, Rajya Sabha has two nominated members. What is it? It has 245 members, out of which 243 elected and 2 nominated. Hence it is true. Jones was a linguist. Was Jones a linguist? Yes, William Jones was a linguist. It is true, because a linguist is a person. Linguist is a person who studies several languages. Linguist is a person who studies several languages. Hence it is true. Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757. Hence it is true. Why? Between whom this battle was fought? Between Robert Clive versus Sirajud-Dowlah. Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757 between Sirajud-Dowlah and Robert Clive. Okay, pressure is equals to force upon area. Yes, the pressure is equals to force upon area, and it is true. Term for jhum cultivation in Madhya Pradesh is bewar. The term used for jhum cultivation in Madhya Pradesh is bewar. It is true. Jhum cultivation is in Madhya Pradesh also known as bewar. Okay, and it is true. A History of British India was written by James Mill. The History of British India was written by James Mill. Yes, it is true. And one more thing, additional thing, James Mill divided Indian history. James Mill divided Indian history into 3 parts. Which parts? Hindu, Muslim, and Christian. Hindu, Muslim, and Christian. The James Mill divided the Indian history into Hindu, Muslims, and Christians. Okay, Hindu, Muslim, and Christians. Sorry, one mistake I have done. Not in Christian. He divided Indian history into Hindu, Muslim, and Britishers. Sorry for my mistake. Okay, its answer is Hindus and Britishers, hence it is true. Japan has the highest population. No, Japan doesn't have the highest population, hence it is false, and the population of India is the highest in the world. Number 1 are India. Advertise is a tertiary activity. Advertise is a tertiary activity. Yes, it is tertiary activity because it provides support to the primary activities and the secondary activities of the farmers and other industrial works. Okay. Agriculture is a secondary activity. Agriculture is a secondary activity. No, it is false, and the agriculture is a primary activity. Okay. Ramp is used to cross roads. It is true or false? Ramp is used to land vehicles. It is like I will show you the figure. It is like this, and the vehicle or transfer up and down. Okay. Next question. Please wait a second. So we have read that ramp is used to cross the road, hence it is false. Ramp is used to land the vehicles. Okay. NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. National Highway Authority of India is full form of NHAI, hence it is true. Manrega provides at least 1000 days of labor to the poor class rural families. It is false because Manrega only provides 100 days of labor to people every year. 365 days, 100 days the government provide the employment or the labor, at least labor of rural families of at least 100 days minimum. Rajasthan female literacy rate according to 2011 census is 50 to 52.12%. 52.12%, hence it is true. Rajasthan female literacy rate according to 2011 census is 52.12%, hence it is true. Next question. The father of Bhudan movement. The father of Bhudan movement was Vinoba Bhave. Father of Bhudan movement Vinoba Bhave, hence it is true. Hence he started the movement in 1951. In which village? In Pachampalli. In Pachampalli village. Where the village is situated? In Pachampalli. Next. Oh, match the column. So the first acquisition of Punjab was done in which year? Acquisition of Punjab was done in 1774. And the first English factory in 1651. The child labor is related to right to exploitation. Constitution of India was is 26 January 1950, and Sipahi is also known as Sepoy. Lord Dalhousie introduced the doctrine of lapse. It is the recall of what we have learnt. Right to collect revenue was given to Diwani. General of Nana Sahib. Who was the General of Nana Sahib? General of Nana Sahib was Tatya Tope. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, ensuring farmer crops. Rashtriya Ayush Mission. Rashtriya Ayush Mission is a health scheme. Eklingi temple is situated in which city? In Udaipur. Rajasthan Women's Commission, in front of it on 15th of 1999, Marathas defeated the Panipat battle from the Ahmad Shah Abdali. The city of garment is also known as Bhilwara. Bhilwara is also known as the city of garment and also the Manchester of Rajasthan. Kota rebellion started on 15th October 1557 by Lala Jai Dayal and Mehrab Ali Khan. Now next, hence we have done all the main question answers and MCQs which at chance they would come in the board. Hence, thanks for watching. I am Vedant and thank you for giving your time. Thank you.